In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send self-destructing emails in Gmail. This feature, known as confidential mode, is perfect for those times when you want to ensure your email content won't linger longer than necessary. Whether you're sending sensitive information or simply want to practice digital minimalism, this guide will walk you through the process step by step with ease and clarity. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can leverage this feature in Gmail to maintain your digital privacy and security. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your email credentials. Once you're in, look toward the top left of your screen for the Compose button. Give that a click, and it will open a new email draft window where you can start crafting your email. After you've composed your message with all the necessary information for your recipient, you'll want to activate confidential mode. To do this, look for the lock and clock icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Clicking this icon will bring up the confidential mode settings, where you can decide precisely how long your email will remain accessible. Here, you can set the expiration date for your email, ranging from 1 day to 5 years, depending on your needs. This feature is handy when you want to add an extra layer of security, preventing recipients from accessing the email after a set period. You also have the option to require a passcode for added security. If you choose the option No SMS Passcode, recipients using the Gmail app will be able to open the email directly without any additional steps. However, if your recipient isn't using Gmail, they'll receive a link to view the email instead. If you opt for the SMS passcode option, recipients will receive a text with a passcode they'll need to enter to access your email. This choice is especially beneficial if you're sharing highly confidential information and want to ensure that only the intended recipient can access it. When you've chosen your desired settings, click the Save button to lock those preferences in place. With that done, you can go ahead and click the Send button as usual to send your confidential email on its way. And just like that, you've successfully sent a self-destructing email to your recipient, giving you peace of mind that your private information won't be unnecessarily exposed in the future. So that's it. Sending self-destructing emails in Gmail is a simple and effective way to keep your communications private. Whether you're handling sensitive business documents or personal correspondence, using confidential mode is a valuable tool in maintaining your digital security. Try it out the next time you send an email and experience that extra layer of privacy Gmail can provide.